and welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to do pattern 1 of the arcade stitch. This is video number 2 in a 5-part series on how to make the free pattern on my blog called the Night at the Arcade Scarf. In the last video we learned how to do the setup row, and in this video we're going to learn how to do pattern row 1. So the very first step will be to chain 1, that's your turning chain, and then we're going to go ahead and do 7 double crochets into this first chain space. Okay, we're going to count them out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, you've got a really pretty fan here. The next step will be to skip this next stitch, and you're going to single crochet into the second stitch. This anchors down your fan that you just created. Okay, now it's nice and secure. All right, next step will be to do 7 double crochets in the next chain space. All right, we're at the end of the row now. We're going to go ahead and do 7 double crochets into this last chain space, and then we'll simply single crochet into this very last stitch here. Okay, that was 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, almost there, 6, and 7. Okay, we're going to single crochet into this last chain space here. There we go. All right. And there you have really pretty row here. This is pattern row 1 for the arcade stitch. And if you learned a lot and would like to see other videos like this, go ahead and click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for the next video. We are going to build upon this row and do pattern row 2. Thank you.